down here with a stripper, and when the comic tells a joke and the audience laughs, the stripper's going to take something off. But if you don't laugh, the comic has to take something off. So, you guys have all the power. Let's hear it for Sonne Shield!
Because I can operate every piece of equipment that a man can. That's a strap-on joke. I can't give credit for that. Get it, girl. Ow! Ow!
Yeah, baby!
Part of my world. Needless to say, I'm not on the PTA. That girl was like, yeah, mommy needs her medicine.
Yeah, Dylan! Bradley Holton!
Is this how this is going to be? Would you rather see me naked? No. Let's be professional about this, okay? Let's do this. Fuck you, that was a good joke.
Do it, baby! Yeah!
Yeah! Did you guys see the peeping Tom just like stumble in the door? Like, what's going on in here?
Ladies and gentlemen, Chuck Roy!
How's your summer winter going, everybody? This global warming is a bitch. Not my fault I didn't see the Kindle.
That's a good joke!
For over 20 years, that joke has been getting young men naked.